Little panda doctor.
London Bridge is falling down.